We had a class leader who was a guy who was an experienced astronaut who was kind of taking care of us. He was our leader. And before he let us go home for the weekend that Friday, he said, the swim test is next week, I think it was on Tuesday. We have the swim test. Who are the strong swimmers in this group? And we had a couple Navy divers and others, raise their hand. And he goes, okay, who are the weak swimmers in this group? And do not lie to me. And so I sheepishly raised my hand, because I didn't know how to swim very well. And he goes, okay, the strong swimmers and the weak swimmers stay after class, figure out a time to meet over the weekend. The strong swimmers are going to help the weak swimmers with their swimming. Because when we go to the pool on Tuesday, no one is leaving until everyone passes that test. Okay? It wasn't like we're going to see who's good and who's bad and who's chicken and who can do this. It was like all of you are going to pass. We are doing this as a team. And I realized I had entered a whole new realm of what teamwork meant. No one gets left behind. Everyone helps the other person get through it. And we all went to the pool that Tuesday and we all passed.